Why can it not be a man in a Range Rover? But I am so excited, you guys. The procrastinator in me is very serious. Like, guys, you know what, ne? I know I don't like talk to you guys a lot these days. I don't know what's going on, but it's life lately. So I haven't been able to sleep in the past like month. I don't know why, bro. Like, did I say bro? Okay, I realized that I said bruv and I was like, okay. Also, this is my eye mask slash headphones. So just in case you're wondering what the hell is going on in my head, that's what's going on. Anyway, I'll say, like, I haven't been able to sleep in the past month and I don't know what's going on. Like, insomnia is a real disease. Also, why is me looking like that? Like, okay, I don't know why I like doing that, but like, I look like a man, bro. Like, damn. I'm not gonna remove it because I'm about to sleep. Like, I was sleeping and I was just not sleeping. I was on TikTok, but I was like, let me just tell these people that insomnia is real. Don't underestimate the power of insomnia. I'm ill. This is a disease. This is an illness, and I'm gonna pray against it because what the hell? Why am I not being able to sleep? Also, I hope you guys are doing well. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back to my room now after class. I didn't vlog at class, I got in late, but whatever. Cause you see, I left my room wearing a t-shirt, right? As soon as I walked outside, bro, it's so cold outside. So I'm gonna wear the sweater in my room while I work on some things. I don't know what I'm doing. Good morning, is the assignment? Please hit me up from my group. Okay. Anyway, I'm reading group things. Let me go now. Let me get to do schoolwork, guys. Okay guys, like, I want to ask you guys something, right? I don't know how to express myself, like, verbally. If you watched that video where I said I don't know how to express myself, you understand. So I just had a meeting with, oh my god, my lips are so dry. But anyway, I just had a meeting with my lecturer. Sorry, I just had a meeting with my lecturer right now, right? And we're basically discussing like my research and things like that, like what I'm going to be covering and all of that. And he was basically like, your research proposal is like everywhere, like you have a lot of legal issues at the same time and I don't understand what you're trying to say, right? I'm like, yeah, but like I try to explain my point so many times and he's like, I don't know if I get you. And then he starts saying things, like he starts explaining what he's getting and I'm like, that's what I'm trying to say. That's my point exactly. I'm just like, why am I like this? Like, I can't even say what he's saying and I'm trying to tell him what he's actually saying to himself and I can't say it myself. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, it's so hard for me to explain to him what I'm trying to say that he even ended up explaining what I'm trying to say to me. And like, what you're actually saying is what I'm trying to say, but I can't say that. I'm just quiet the entire time. I'm listening to this man go on and I'm like, you know what, it's fine, I hear you. I ended up asking him if I could like write a piece of paper and send it to him so that he like understands what I'm trying to say, because I know I can try to explain myself in writing, but like verbally, son, you'll confuse me and every mother and every boy. But anyway, I haven't done anything the entire day. I was just sitting here waiting for this meeting. I was nervous. I didn't know what I was going to do. I don't even know what my research is about, so I just want to go watch a movie and sleep. And yeah, I think I should go, but I want to go to gym because gym closes at 10 and it's currently 7:33. But also I haven't eaten, so I can't go to gym on an empty stomach. That is mad. But anyway guys, bye. I think, oh, by the way, there's a group thingy that is about to be done. I don't have a group at all and I'm looking for a group, and someone just texted me and I've asked someone to put me in their group and they haven't replied to my message, and I'm like, girl, like, you keep putting on statuses and I see that and you're not responding to my message. But that's fine guys, I get it. Some people just have that moment where they just want to post and not respond to messages. I do that, but this one is kind of like urgent. Like, girl, I need it. Like, I'm serious and you're ignoring me, but that's fine, that's cool. In none of my business. Bye guys, my phone is not charging so I can't keep talking to you guys. This lighting actually bangs, like it eats. I actually miss YouTube. Like, I miss you guys so much. I want to sit here and talk to you guys every day, but I can't do that. I have to actually vlog and do something. I can't always come sit here and talk to you guys. But yeah, this is life lately. It's precious. Bye. Hi guys, weird angle, I know. So I wanted to go and, well, I was supposed to go get something at the office. If you guys remember, you don't know, the past 2 months we were doing internship attachment thingy for 2 months. So we were working at Mtlanga. So we're supposed to go there to get something at the office. So we're supposed to actually go. We were supposed to go with Magdalene, but we didn't go. Let me change this angle. Guys, please get me a tripod. My tripod is not in a good state anymore. That's my sneeze. Something is always happening to me. But anyway, so like I was saying, we're supposed to go with McLean, but we didn't go because the lady we were working with is busy today, so we couldn't go. But she said she'll get back to us. But on another note, I'm thinking of going to go get toiletries with you guys. But my problem with going to the mall is that if I get there, I'm going to want to buy both toiletries and groceries. Like, my groceries are not there, but like fruits and things like that. And I'm also hungry, but also I feel like I want to buy, like, I don't want to go to the mall so many times. That's the thing about me. I want to go to the mall and come back like with everything, but I can't buy groceries now. I actually have to clean my fridge, clean my everything, make sure that everything is ready for me to actually get food. Like, I want to get food on Friday. That's my view. Like, not my view, that's my vision, getting food on Friday. But today I was just thinking, because I'm not doing anything right now, why not go get toiletries? Because tomorrow is actually packed. Today I don't have any more classes. My class was at 9. I didn't go. I woke up at 9 o'clock. I look so cute. Anyway, so I woke up at 9 o'clock on the dot and I didn't go to class. So I'm thinking of going to get toiletries with you guys, and then yeah, I'm still thinking. I've been sitting here, guys, since 12, still thinking about the same thing, and it's actually 14:27. Do you see that? Yeah, it's 14:27. So it's literally been 2 hours of me sitting here doing nothing. So I just think I'm gonna go now. Obviously I'm not gonna take too long. I want to go to Airport Junction. What I like about Airport Junction is that not a lot of people go there, especially during the week. Plus, it's Wednesday. And my fear also of going to Airport Junction on a Wednesday is that I might buy myself go Cotton On. And if you guys know, every Wednesday, or if you didn't know, every Wednesday at Cotton On, there's a sale. Like, things will retail for 50 bucks. Like, shoes and things like that. And I hope I find nice shoes today. Like, I always find weird things. The last time I went there, I think I bought like, I don't know what I bought, but I bought something. So I hope that I find shoes, but also my fear is getting there and finding shoes, because I'd have to buy them and then I cut off my budget. Do you get what I mean? I also hope that things are on sale, bro. Like, it's also the end of the month, eh? If I don't go today, I can't go during the weekend, because the weekend is gonna be packed. It's the end of the month. Do you know what? Let me just go. I think I'm just gonna go. Also, I'm hungry, so I think I should just go get the toiletries right now. And also, don't judge me. My budget for my toiletries is 1.5. But these have to last me for 4 months. If they don't, then I don't know, son. My list is so long, and I hope I get everything, and I hope that I don't overspend, because if I don't get everything, son, guys, I'll never understand iPhones. I have 200 GB iCloud storage, but it keeps saying my phone is full. You know what? It's fine. It's okay. Let's go.
For the one who made me, I know that you know about you. You can't lead and I will follow. I'm giving my all for this, cause I know you got me now. I'm putting my trust in you, cause I know you got it down. I'm driving deep. Yeah, that doesn't continues forever. I'm driving deep. I'm drowning in grace and I don't need any saving.
Guys, I literally just arrived. It is 16, wait, 18:41, as in it's 6:41. It's almost 7. I just got back and I switched on my laptop, and my toiletries are literally right in front of me. I'll show you guys after I eat because I'm literally hungry. I haven't had anything to eat in the whole day ever since I woke up. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys that I just arrived. I didn't vlog at the mall because I'm still scared. Like, I'm trying to get back into the groove of vlogging again. But anyway, my room is dark again. I keep saying that in so many footages, but yeah. Anyway, another year. Things I got are in this bag, in this bag, in this bag, and that bag. So 4 bags, and I'm gonna show you guys all these things after I eat. Hey guys. Okay, I look so dark. Don't worry about me. I got G.O.D. Anyway, I did finish eating a while ago. It's just that I was watching a movie called Praise This. It's actually a good movie. My skin is dry, by the way. I don't want to apply anything because I actually want to wash my face. So for the purpose of this video, guys, this is the front camera, and yeah. So if you have a problem with me and my front camera, then I don't know how to help you. Let's try the back. Should we try the back? This is the first plastic bag I'm gonna show you guys. So these are what I actually got from this game. Listen, most of these things are mixed up because I put some of them in my backpack, so everything is a lot. It's mixed up. Everybody is just everywhere. So this is something I went back for this, but this was the last. You know what? Let me not explain anything. Let me just show you guys. I ran out of cream, so I bought Body Dog. I actually don't know if you guys are gonna see, and then I got mouthwash. This was $50, so yeah, it's a liter actually. I got this from this camp. And then for my hair, I got so free. Honestly, it was literally just the moisturizer, and it was the cheapest moisturizer, so I got this. I got the Herbalife soap. If you guys haven't noticed, my hands have a lot of pigmentation on my knuckles, so I wanted to see if Gentle Magic is actually going to help me with that. I don't know if it is, but it has been working actually, because I've been using the soap and the serum, and it has actually been helping me. My hands were too darker than this. I also got this skin lotion, but I think it's the toner. I think it's the toner because it's the green. Yeah, it's the green bottle thing. To try and wipe my knuckles as well. I'm not gonna use these things on my face. No. I also got something. Yes, I got the serum. I use the serum as my hand cream. Actually, I've been doing that. I think one of them is in my bag. I've been doing that. And then I got. Did I need this? No, but. I got it. Nature Nourishment Skin Cleanser. But it's the same thing as Cetaphil, so I just got it because people are talking about it. But it's also cheap, by the way. This bottle is like, it's the same size as the Cetaphil, but this is like $34, so this is actually cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Gentle for sensitive skin, so yeah, I'm gonna try that out. I'm actually gonna try this out right now after this. Oh, I was also supposed to get Dettol or something, not Dettol, Domestos Dettol or Savlon, but I ended up finding this Discam rubbing alcohol. I'm actually going to be using this for the toilet seats because, guys, we share toilets here, so I have to shoo on my tissue and then wipe the seat before I use the toilet, so I use that. Now, second bag has beauty liners. I got 3 of these because 2 for 3 gold clicks, so yeah. And then I got this Rooibos SPF 15 day cream. Honestly, I felt like this was guys, seems like we've been recording for a long time now. My phone space is running out. Okay, so we gotta do this quick. So I also got a room mist. It's also a French vanilla room spray. You can tell vanilla is my brain. I also got tissue oil. I don't know why, but I didn't have these, so I ended up getting this one from Clicks. But anyway, what's in my bag? I'm running out of space. I got this hand cream, It's Skin EFX, fragrance free, smoothing body lotion, moisture, continuum wat soothing with wat for dry, itchy skin, sensitive skin. I actually wish they had like some form of SPF in these creams, because damn, this was 12 bucks and I just randomly took it because I wanted to try it out. It was cheap, so I got it. Or they think, okay, let me do this and then I'll try it out like that. I also got gloves. One thing about me, I believe in exfoliating my body every single day whenever I bath, so that. And then I got myself lip therapy. Oh, the mother of the show, the star of the show, the mother of everybody. Focus. Did you see her? I don't think you guys saw her. This is the mother.
Seeking truth, I know you sovereign. When I was bound by all the violence, you broke chains when I was wildin'. Yeah, the only gave my heart to the Prince of Peace. Now I know that it's meant to be. Now I know, but they say I'm sprung. Lord, you got me doing things I never do. But they say I'm sprung. Lord, you got me, yeah. Got me doing things I never do. I know your way is true, darling.